Looking to add a CD changer or an external device to your GM vehicle without hassle? The Barb-less Antenna Adapter Kit is designed specifically for select 1988 to 2006 GM models with barb-less antenna connectors. It's the simple fix that lets you connect devices with built-in FM modulators quickly and securely. When I needed to hook up a satellite radio in my 2002 Denali, this adapter was exactly what made the difference. It fit perfectly into the GM antenna circuit, no modifications required. My wife was thrilled to start enjoying her satellite radio almost immediately. No fuss, no frustration. Plus, this kit works seamlessly with other Metra 60 series harnesses, making it a versatile choice for various setups. What you get is a reliable, precise fit that saves time and eliminates guesswork. It's built to maintain signal integrity while expanding your vehicle's audio options. If you're upgrading your GM's sound system or adding new tech, this adapter is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to make your ride's audio experience better and easier to manage.